where we at. I'm using TikTok tutorials to do it because I want to do it right. Like, I know how to put it on and get it on there temporarily, but I want to do it right. Want to do it right. Want to do it right. So this is how far we got. Let me clean up behind here because it looks a mess. Let's get all the access. Because for what? Why are you on it? All right. And y'all know I got a small forehead, like my forehead, like that big. Don't come for me. But this is what we had so far. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start with the middle. And what I'm looking for is this. Put all that little trashy trash right there. Make sure all the hair is pulled back, because I don't have time, honey. So I'm scared because, like, I don't want it to, y'all see that? I don't want it to, like, bubble up. That's my thing. So maybe I should cut it in. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, it's gonna bubble up. So I'm gonna cut another one in the center right here. All right, so we back. I had to take the rods out of it because it was shrinking my wig. And now that my wig is actually fitting on a cap, you know, I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. So we're gonna get this done. We're trying it again. We're gonna keep trying until it's right. Now y'all see right here, it messed up a little bit. So let's pray that you can't see it once I put this on. But I had to give me a check too, y'all. I was hurting. My legs was screaming. Okay, so let's get into it. We're gonna boom, bow, bizzle. Boom, bow, bizzle. Oh, isn't that too much? Yeah, it's like I'm putting a perm in my head. What is going on? And we don't want it in the hair. Okay. It's gonna be on my edges a little bit. I'm just gonna have to pray about that thing before I take it off. Cause ain't no way. All right. We're just gonna get this little part cause we don't need it. Y'all, my forehead is yay big, like I'm saying. It's right there, like right there. Right there. So be kind to me. All right, we're gonna blow dry. Go ahead and blow dry until it's time clear. Until it's time clear. This first, put it down. Yeah. Yaga, 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 yaga. Scrape it. We scraping it. We scraping it. Okay, feel secured. Got one down. All right. Yaga, 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 yaga. Right. I don't know how it's gonna look. I don't know how it's looking. I don't know how it's looking. Looking better than last time. I can tell you that. I can tell you that. It's looking better than last time. Looking better than last time. I don't know what to do at this point, y'all. Cause look. What am I doing at this point? Cleaning it up, cleaning it up, cleaning it up. I'm gonna come back to y'all. Look at that. Just make sure I had to get a picture of that because, oh, disgusting. Y'all, I had to redeem myself because, baby, the way that this lace was messing up. But look how I got it now. All right, now we on the baby edges. One challenge down and another to go. I do not know how to do baby edges, so bear with me. Yeah. Okay. Progress. Progress. Okay. Progress is progressing. And then I'm gonna use a little foam. Just it. Oh, oops. I had to redeem myself for sure. For sure, for sure. A bit. It'll go a long way. Remember, this is a 24. Baby, I thought I wanted to get into hairstyling, but no, ma'am, no sirree. No, no, no. This is not what I got patience for. It's all. I do my hair, but I wouldn't do nobody else's. I swear I would not. Not the move. Yeah, it's going on 11 o'clock. I don't know what time I started on my hair, but it was not this late. For sure. For sure, for sure. It's not this late. I'm gonna flex around this and call it a night because, baby, I don't know what to call this. I don't know what this is, but it's gonna be something. It's gonna be something. This hair cute or whatever, but I ain't feeling it. I am not. Maybe because I did it. Because I did it. It got my name on it. But yeah. Oh, y'all want to see the finishing? Now this I ate. Cause you can't even see it. Well, you can see a little bit. Barely. Barely, honey. Barely. Not perfect at all. Ouch. I don't even got a cap under here. Y'all can see like the cap right there. But right here, I said, forget that cap, baby. Cause I ain't feeling it. I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and ground. Nothing wrong. I want it like this, like that. How can I get it like that? That's the rule. Is that it? Maybe. Maybe, maybe not. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. This was the install epic fail a couple times, so I had to rewind that thing back. And I did cut some hair off of it because in reality, I really didn't want it so long. Even though this is 24-inch, but I ain't want it so long. I wanted this like this. I'm gonna tell y'all the vision. I wanted this like this, and then I wanted these to be like really scrunched up curls, like this. Like, can you see the vision? Y'all see the vision that I was envisioning? But it's okay. It's alright. With that being said, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Until my next video, my kikis. Good night.